Okay, so I figure I might as well just do a couple reviews on some of the things that I end up having to buy and need for this channel. One here, this voltage regulator, which is just a booster. This isn't a buck booster. This was actually a replacement because of one of the capacitors on this. The other one I had was blown out, so we'll do some more with that later. But I bought this so that I could charge this battery at 72 volts. Right now you can see I'm just charging one cell at a time with this buck booster here. So when I built this pack and discharged it, it discharged unevenly. So there'll be more when it comes to building that pack. But anyways, so let's this is a clamp meter, and this one measures DC current, and this is something I've actually kind of needed for a while, just with some of the other stuff I tinker around with solar and whatnot. So I figured I might as well unbox this. So it came in this nice box, and of course there's some statistics and stuff on the back of this, and it should be I can measure this is a really big meter here, but I can measure up to 1,000 amps of DC current and up to 1,000 amps of AC current, and of course the 200 amp and the 400 amp is the lower end. So this is this clamp meter, this multimeter for a couple different things. So the reason I ended up buying this one was because of the peak measuring capability of it, the 1,000 amp. When you get into measuring and the electric motors and stuff and EVs, the peak current from an electric motor actually can be very high. So I wanted to be able to capture that, and this meter is supposed to be able to use an app, so we will play around with the app in some of our future videos, but this is kind of what you get with it, and hopefully the app is decent and it still works. I looked at it in the App Store and it kind of looked a little underdeveloped, like they had stopped developing anything for it, but as long as it functions, it'd be nice to be able to collect data instead of just read a screen. So we'll see how that works. If worst case scenario, I'll just be reading the screen, and that'll be fine with me. But we'll do some further testing with this thing and see how well it functions. But hopefully you enjoy this video, and subscribe to the channel. Like this video if you like it and you want to see more. Manipulate the algorithm. If you want to see more, you got to subscribe to the channel. You got to like it so that you can get more videos and more information on this channel. We'll see you next time.